Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 310 Limited 2.0 TDCI Euro 6 cam wet belt snapped crew cab no VAT bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 103,069. MOT, the 20th of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner timing belt has snapped. Straightforward repair if you know what you're doing. Nice very high-spec factory-fit crew cab with no VAT to pay. What an absolute bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con,